Hi guys, today we're playing Steel Brainrot, and I'm being hacked, so I'm not so good. Yeah, I think if some of your guys with a Brainrot you will give to me, there's over than a million, I will be really happy. But if you just can like and subscribe, it will be much better. So don't worry if I have really bad burnouts. I just hope you guys like my videos. So yeah, right. I'm just hope it. It's just a little bit hard comment still a bit not, so I don't know if that takes some time. But I will just show you guys my base, and so yeah. It take a little time to come in, but if your guys can, if you guys watching this video, I don't think there's so many there's to it, so just break my base in the comment. Pat Pumpkin, Last of the Ritas, Samini, Snalenso, Zombie Tralala, Last Tralala, one Snalenso more, Last Tralala, Lost Tiki Tacos, Lost Cagaritas. Oh, and Nabini. That's a bad one. Vampiro, Cappuccino, and Los Orcalitos, and less Cappuccinos. I'm being hacked, so yeah. That was all. If I should do 99 nights, so say it in the comment. Yeah, so bye everyone.